This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Josh Bradley. Fantastic low-maintenance living in an amazing Knoxville location. Enjoy the large open floor plan on the main level with a dining room, kitchen, and living room combination area. A convenient half-bath and one-car garage are also on the main level. Relax on the outdoor back patio. The primary suite features a large walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. Additional guest bedroom with a full bath and laundry are located upstairs. A must-see today. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Bradley at 865-584-4700.